When did this first happen to you?
Uh, you mean when did I start
Yeah.
auditioning? COVID.
कोविड के वक्त, उससे पहले?
उससे पहले I didn't audition for the camera.
हाँ.
I obviously always wanted to be an actor and model,
Hmm.
but I never actually did anything commercial.
Okay.
I used to do like जो ऐसे children's theater होता है school तक 12th तक.
You
I
were
used
like
to do.
sunflower in the background.
Oh
ऐसा कुछ?
I've been that also, but
Yeah.
I've done like proper plays also.
Okay. Yeah.
So that I used to do, but that was just that. Nothing commercial, nothing आगे उससे.
Yeah.
But then it was always in my mind that like I've done my MBBS, so I'm a doctor also, right?
Oh yes.
And
Yes.
that was not.
Huh.
It wasn't something that fascinated me. It was just
That was not something that fascinated you, and you ended up doing that. मतलब,
I know.
it is not like BCom.
I know. So like both my parents are doctors. They wanted
अच्छा.
me to be a doctor.
What kind of doctors? Like उसमें भी होता है ना? Like what specialized?
Yeah,
ENT
my
or...
dad is an ENT and
ENT.
cancer surgeon,
Okay.
and my mom is a gynecologist.
Okay.
And they have their own hospital here only.
Where?
Nigdi, Yamuna Nagar,
What's the name of the hospital?
Srinivas Hospital.
अच्छा. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, and like you know how it is.
हाँ.
First of all, I was a child who was very scared,
Huh.
and I was an introvert. I didn't
Okay.
talk to people,
Yeah.
and I didn't know how to put forth my thoughts or like my dreams before people कि मुझे ये करना है.
Okay.
So then जो लोग बोलते गए मैं करती गई, but back of my mind it's like, but I want to be an actor. I want to be an actor.
Yeah.
So then, like I call myself the child of the universe
Okay.
because the universe always like कुछ तो कर लेता है कि ना जो मेरे माइंड में है वो आ जाए.
Okay.
So then COVID happened, even though it
You
was
manifested COVID?
bad.
What the
No,
fuck?
God. Please don't cut that. No, यार, COVID में तो I was in the second wave. I was on COVID duty, so I've been
okay.
like properly in those PPE
Yeah,
kits and
yeah.
help people. But the first wave that came in 2020, that was when I was in the third year.
Okay.
So all of our lectures went online.
Yeah.
Because only the clinical things were happening in the hospital. Otherwise, all the academic stuff, they were like, घर पे बैठ के सिखा देंगे. So that's when I found some time because med school is super hectic.
Yeah, that's what.
And yeah, I didn't have time for myself. I didn't know myself.
Okay.
So then 2020 happened. I had a lot of time. So I sat with myself. I actually मतलब खुद से बात की मैंने कि तुझे चाहिए क्या लाइफ से, तू कर क्या रही है अभी तक. And then I came to the conclusion that this is what I've always wanted to do. Like every time. I think I had a lot of anxiety issues. And uska bhi one of the reason was that I didn't have an outlet for my dreams to like, you know. So yeah, 2020 happened.
Yeah.
And then I got in, like I worked on myself. I got some pictures shot. खुद के phone पे ही terrace पे golden light,
Yeah.
golden hour वो
Okay.
सब में. And then I sent it around to casting directors.
Yeah.
And उसके पहले I'd done a small part-time course in ITA, that's the Indian Television Academy.
Yeah.
So while I was in med school and then weekends पे I was in ITA.
Yeah.
So वहाँ से जितना knowledge मिला, वहाँ से I found out how you can approach casting directors, where you can send your
Yeah.
portfolio and stuff. Then I did that. And then there was this one ad for ABP network.
Okay. The news network है क्या?
Yeah, ABP. So they
सबसे
were...
आगे ABP सबसे आगे ऐसा कुछ तो है ना?
So there was this one ad
Yeah.
and they needed like... it was something... That was my first ad and
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
But उसमें मेरा चेहरा नहीं दिखने वाला था. They were going to paint and they were going to put silver color and stuff.
Okay.
ठीक है? But I was like, it's fine.
Okay.
मुझे set पे जाना है, मुझे
Yeah.
कैमरा के सामने जाना है.
Yeah.
So then I was like, ठीक है कर लूंगी.
Yeah.
Commercials also is like इतना ही है budget. You're a fresher. You don't
Yeah.
have like
What,
a
1,000 rupees they give you? What?
No. That was around 8,000 something they gave me. Yeah.
8,000 is not bad for a fresher.
Okay, but
Yeah. But yeah, please.
yeah. So I did that.
Okay.
And वहाँ पे भी my parents were like, what is this नया
Where was
भूत
this
चढ़
shoot
गया? Mumbai.
अच्छा मुंबई में था.
And I gave the audition from Pune. And then I'm just like, okay, dad, I've got this project.
Yeah.
I've cracked this audition. Now I have
Yeah.
to go in Mumbai.
Yeah.
I have to shoot. and it was on a Monday.
Okay.
And my dad was like, no, no, no. If it's on a Sunday, then only you'll go, because I want to accompany you on set. I don't know how everything works because it's the first time.
Okay, of course.
And then I started crying and I'm like, no, I have to do this. And बहुत बड़ा मतलब ऐसा ड्रामा बना दिया मैंने. And then my dad was like, fine, मैं consulting बंद कर दूंगा एक दिन के लिए. Then he shut his consulting for a day.
Yeah.
Then we went
Yeah.
to Mumbai. And we shot for an entire day. I can never forget the feeling I had on that day.
Yeah.
Like I saw those big cameras for the
Yeah.
first time,
Yeah.
the set,
Yeah.
the lights. I met with the ADs.
Yeah.
It was just everything that I had dreamt of, and it was happening with me. So, yeah, that was my first project for ABP Network. That was 2020 end, December.
Yeah.
So it's been like 4 years doing this.
So, how do you have you completely shifted there? Is it like a hybrid that you're in Pune, go there?
No, I mean, I have completely shifted now. I graduated like in 2022.
Yeah.
So it'll be 2 years now in December only that I've shifted to Mumbai. But I keep coming because family is here. So, but not very much.
But it must be daunting now to shift to Mumbai for the very first time. What was that like?
It was. But I don't know, you know, something like जब कुछ तुम्हारे मन पे हावी होता है तो बाकी कुछ नजर नहीं आता. I'm like, I have to do this. I want to do this. I will find a way. So when I told my parents first, and they were like, what, why? You can give your online auditions whenever there's a shoot, travel. I'm like, no, I have to be there. I have to network. I have to get to know this industry. Because it's not just like ऐसे hobby के लिए time pass, हाँ चलो कुछ shoot करके आ गए.
Yeah.
It's something that has been a part of me for so long. Since I was in the 4th standard, I've dreamt of this. So then I went ऐसे एक दिन, and I'm like, I'm looking for hostels to stay. Don't help me and all. I'll see. सब कुछ देख लूंगी. I started hunting, and I saw it's very difficult to find a place alone, and especially when I've always been in this protected environment. I've never been outside alone. And then एक दिन उठ के I'm just like, I'm looking for places. Then I used to stay at my bua's place in Mumbai तब तक. And everyone was like, how are you going to find a place? What is this? And even all of my friends were like, have you gone mad?
Yeah.
But like my closest friends knew that I always wanted to live in Mumbai. So they were like, ho jayega. Like they were my moral support and stuff. But then I found some places. पर मुझे realize हुआ कि नहीं होगा अकेले ढूंढना. ठीक है?
Okay.
Because everything needs to be seen, the safety, सब कुछ.
Of course, yeah.
So then I was like, I told my parents that, see, this is really something I want to do. Please help me. Just like your support.
Financially?
No, like in finding the place and stuff.
Huh.
So they were like, ठीक है. Then they came with me to see places. We approached brokers.
Yeah.
Then websites पे देखा सब. And I found a nice place in Andheri West. So yeah, and then I shifted. But obviously alone.
In a flat or like what?
Yeah, it's an apartment.
Okay.
1 BHK. So it's been fine. I have discovered a lot of things about myself because I never spent so much time alone and just by myself. Nobody's around.
Yeah.
It's been good actually. So yeah, like the initial days were tough. I didn't have many friends there, so I had to make friends. And but luckily. So I had a few internet friends जो पुणे में बैठ के मैंने बना रखे थे कि एक दिन मुंबई जाऊंगी इनसे मिलूंगी. So उनसे मिली. उनमें से कुछ 1-2 दोस्त है अभी भी जो they are like my backbone in Mumbai.
Okay.
So that helped. And धीरे धीरे.
But then how did you go about, okay, you shifted.
Yeah.
Now you're like, okay, now I'm in Andheri West. It is 3:15 p.m. Okay. अभी क्या करे? In terms of the networking aspect, where does one start from once you're there?
Okay, I say this to people that you just have to be around. And you really have to be around.
Yeah.
So, you might have heard of the place Aramnagar.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
So, I went, I met with all the casting people, I gave my introduction.
Yeah.
Then, I just sent out a lot of emails. I got in touch with, like, people I met on set through ads. They had contacts, then they had more contacts, फिर contacts, ऐसे सब numbers और emails सब इकट्ठा किए, sent out my profile, everything.
Yeah.
And then I started getting calls.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, probably my look and like whatever they needed in ads. It really helped me. My hair and my skin tone and everything just worked out.
Yeah.
And yeah, so there were parts where people started calling me
Yeah.
to audition. And then after a point there, I reached a place where I didn't actually have to apply.
Okay.
Casting directors were like, तुम्हारा profile है और ये character पे जा रहा है,
Yeah.
audition कर लो.
Okay.
So then that's what I said, कि you just have to be around. You will figure
And
out.
how much time did you take for this process? Like 6 months, 2 months, a day?
Okay, sure. I wish.
What's his name?
Okay, wait. I think, yeah, since I started in 2020 now, while I was still in Pune. So that 2 years, I did a lot of ads and stuff from auditioning from here and then traveling there. तो उसमें ही मेरा networking, मतलब casting directors तक मेरा profile पहुंच
So
गया
what you
था.
used to like, because you know the people that would watch here, I'm just trying to get an answer where they can also understand. यहाँ से बैठ के how are you getting ads gigs there? So is there you're being represented by someone or you're just doing the grunt work of messaging everybody and
So I freelance even abhi tak bhi. I'm not represented by anybody yet. But I told you, COVID mein everything shifted online.
yeah, that is true.
And that really helped me because all the audition updates, everything I used to get through WhatsApp. They used to like ये brief है, ये script है, आप audition बनाओ भेजो. So you had to figure out कि कैसे तुम्हारा, मतलब you set up, good lighting, just prepare yourself, shoot, send. And then that's how घर बैठ के मिल गया काम.
Yeah.
So that's why I say that COVID really helped me. It was like
Do you think it's
a
still
blessing
now?
in disguise.
Do you think it's completely still online? Yeah, now it has become like
It's
offline.
90% online.
Still.
Still.
Okay. So you can
So-
virtually be anywhere, still give the audition.
Yes. Like especially in the initial parts and for ads. So for ads, 90% it's self-tests only. They'll send you the brief and
brief and
script.
yeah.
You send the audition. They shortlist you, and then you get locked.
Okay.
So directly you meet the team is on the costume trial day or the rehearsal day. And for web shows or films, they will do a self-test first, and then they'll shortlist you.
Yeah.
Then they'll call you to the studio for like an in-person audition.
Yeah.
And then, but the initial stages, everything mostly is on the internet now.
Okay.
So I think it's a very good time for anybody
To start off.
to start off as an actor. Because to start off, you just need an internet connection and you need yourself.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how.
And I'm assuming that nobody in your family has ever been even as a remotely related to films.
Actually, my dad,
Huh.
in his college days, he used to do a lot of theater and he did like small parts in Marathi films.
Acha.
But he's also a doctor and he was studying, and my grandparents were absolutely against
Against
all
it.
of this. So then he had to stop after a point. And I think that's the reason why he somehow sees his dreams in me and he's like happy about it.
Nice. So tell me, what has been your like, what was the most memorable auditions that you've been to? Weirdest one? I say memorable, it can be a good memory or a bad memory.
Okay. Yeah, recently, like people try to, you know, they'll just be like, you know, I know people. I can connect you with Karan Johar.
I have his WhatsApp number here.
Like, you just come home one day.
Yeah.
I'll make you nice dinner.
Achha.
And
In
then
that
I'll
way.
connect you.
You come for script reading at
Yeah.
1 a.m. Yeah, after everybody has slept.
There are a few people like that.
Yeah.
So, but now, since I've been here for a while, I know that straight off I'll be like, nahi hoga ye. I don't want your opportunities.
But they do call you at odd hours for script reading.
Like very, मतलब ये बहुत कम बार हुआ है. I think twice only I've experienced this where someone has said that come
Yeah.
at this time. But you understand immediately. Like I think I am someone who understands vibes,
Yeah.
and then I know that something's fishy here.
But do you think a
jana
lot of these, especially the younger women,
Yeah.
models, actresses who come to the city with these dreams, sometimes they are like, चल जाके देख तो लेते हैं. Do you think that is also an approach?
I think so.
Kalyani, my question,
I
can
think
you
so.
sleep your way up to the top?
Not now.
Not now.
Not after COVID. The
Not after
scene has
COVID.
changed dramatically.
Why so? Like how so? How so?
So all of the things, are casting couch and everything,
Yeah.
has really gone down. And the reason is the internet, because people are scared. People are scared of being exposed. It doesn't
Okay.
happen. And a lot of casting agencies have come up, which was not the case before COVID.
Ah, okay.
ये सब कैफे में बैठ के होता
Yeah.
था,
हाँ.
बट अभी ऐसा नहीं है. इट्स वेरी प्रोफेशनल. यू हैव कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हु हैव द ब्रीफ्स कि ये प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है, ये कैरेक्टर रिक्वायरमेंट है, ये ऑडिशंस होंगे. You go to their office, their studio, you audition.
There is an office.
Yes, now there is. And that's why
Yeah.
I think I got into it at the right time.
Sweet spot था तभी
And
जब, yeah.
I have honestly, touch wood, never experienced anything
Yeah.
bad like that. People have always been really supportive and like really wanting the best for me.
Yeah.
So I have encountered those people, and that's why I call myself the child of the universe, because I have heard people's experiences, and those are not my experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I would say that this really also comes down to the person. For example, so I've worked in Bombay for 3 years.
Okay.
And in the same circles.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have experienced, like I remember 2019 में जब मैं था उधर, I was with this आराम नगर नहीं है, गोरेगांव के पास, I don't remember that area यार, it was some area near गोरेगांव West, and वहाँ पे auditions कुछ तो थे. I went for it.
Yeah.
And this guy after auditions वगैरह सब, he comes and tells me कि we really like you. If you pay 5 lakhs, this is going to be like a short deal, and this is a bigger project, and इसमें ये नाम है ये.
Yeah.
And वो बस सुन के मैं उसको बोला, तू क्या चूतिया है क्या? तू क्या मुझे you feel कि मैं पुणे से आया हूँ, मैं ऐसा यावतमल से नहीं आया. But do you think that a lot of people, because see, this is
Get scammed.
this is a scam. This is a scam.
Yeah. Yeah.
I might have given the 5 lakhs. I don't know what would have happened, but it just sounded
Nothing
so
would have
dumb.
happened. Yeah.
It would have been so dumb. But still, a lot of people fall for it.
They do. And it comes down to, like, there are a lot of people who are really desperate to be an actor.
Okay.
And I don't know, I think as you said कि they come from villages, they have no idea, भोले भाले होते हैं for real, and easy targets. So have you, I don't know if you've observed, but these people only approach those kind of people कि उनको पता है कि ये I can, you know, fool this person, and then people just end up paying money. And
I think the point about, you know, pre-COVID is a very relevant point.
yes,
Because post-COVID, really things have changed. But pre-COVID, yes. The desperation part, I get it. Matlab, it's more than desperation. It's like, oh, you want to prove it to yourself, to your people, to your friends that, hey, and there are opportunities in Mumbai. Like, things can really blow up for people.
Yeah.
But yes, there are some horror stories also. In between these two extremes, a young person is trying to understand where to, matlab, in that social hierarchy,
Yeah,
मैं कहाँ आता हूँ?
but मैं एक बात बोलूँ, I always say this to people who ask me कि, you know, they're asking for 5K only, should I give?
Yeah.
I'm like, you will never have to pay for work.
Yeah.
You will instead get paid, or
Yeah.
they'll ask you to do for free. But तुम्हें कभी कुछ खुद का देना नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Anywhere somebody says that, please no, it's fake,
Yeah.
it's a scam. Just step away.
So if you could tell me, what are these top 3 ways you can identify that भाई ये तो scam है?
Number 1, they'll ask for money.
हाँ.
Number 2 will be they'll start saying, आपको तो पता है ना मैडम इंडस्ट्री में कैसे काम होता है.
हाँ.
So like, आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ.
Second way,
Yeah.
no.
No.
Third, I think, I mean, ऐसा कुछ, I think these two are the major things, क्योंकि यही 2 चीजें कि पैसों का फ्रॉड हो सकता है, या तो
Yeah.
people will try to, you know, sleep with you or try to use you. So you immediately get that. Third is just like, you'll encounter really arrogant, rude people, and just उनकी personality देख के you'll be like, मुझे काम नहीं करना इनके साथ. So that's my personal thing.
Yeah.
But I think these 2 things that I mentioned are the top.
So if you were to give some advice to the 2020 wali Kalyani
Yeah.
about this journey that she's going to embark upon, what would you tell her?
I would just tell her to trust herself and just be around.
Is there an anxiety quotient living there. I mean, because you're always around very good-looking people,
Yeah.
which is not the case anywhere. I mean, yes, in a society, every day you
Yeah.
meet some people who are very well groomed, very good looking, and then there's a mix.
I agree.
But in Bombay, and especially in the circles you are,
Yes.
everybody's like, wow, well groomed, well dressed,
Yeah.
glammed all the time. Does that breed some insecurity, anxiety?
It used to. It doesn't any longer for
Okay.
me. But that's also because, as I said, I've worked on myself. But initially it was because, honestly speaking, there are very less people who look like me in the Indian industry, even today.
Okay.
Like you see people like that in Hollywood or like international cinema, but not in Bollywood. You still wouldn't see a dark skinned heroine in Bollywood. But that was always on my mind कि मुझे ना ये stereotype तोड़ना है, that I'm going to be a lead in projects in Bollywood.
Okay.
And that was always in my mind. But every time you step into a room and you see that nobody looks like you, it's
Yeah.
just me.
Yeah.
मतलब वो ख्याल आता ही है ना कि यार मैं तो कुछ अलग ही हूँ, ये सब लोग I don't fit in, kind of. So that used to happen to me. But then I think I really accepted myself for who I was and that I was different. And I मतलब ये एक बात है मेरे बारे में कि I really went into spirituality and I really connected with God. And then now it's like if God has made me like this, I don't care. I mean, I'm His creation and I am beautiful the way I am. And I can make my way here.
Yeah.
So I think it comes down to self-acceptance. And then when you know yourself, then you don't care what other people think.
Okay. You do any drugs?
No.
No. Have you ever?
No.
वहाँ पे?
नहीं.
नहीं मिलता है ना वहाँ पे?
मिलता तो
हर चीज है,
हाँ. वो तो मेडिकल कॉलेज में भी मिलता है.
Oh, you're from a medical background. You're like, hey, मैं बनाती हूँ, मिलता है क्या? मैं बनाती हूँ. Wait, क्या चाहिए तेरे को? So now in Bombay, you're staying alone? Still staying alone or now
still
live with you?
staying alone.
What do you think of this concept of these supermodels on Instagram, but as a women as a in 2 BHK ऐसा crap up?
That happens. Most of my friends do stay like that. But yeah, I don't know what to say.
Never stayed with somebody else ऐसा? Never. पहले से ही?
Yeah.
That is a kind of luxury.
I agree. I'm very lucky.
You are lucky. When I shifted first time, I was living in 2 BHK with 8 boys.
Oh God.
And it was like, pancho.
I know, no
Who
privacy,
the fuck
no
took
space.
my t-shirt, my underwear? Where the fuck is my bag? Who ate my food? It became a very high testosterone. Pancho?
I agree. I mean, I can imagine, but I cannot relate.
Cannot relate. That is luxury, yeah? That is really lucky.
I thank my parents every day for that.
You're the only child?
No, I have a sister.
What does she do?
She's in the last year of MBBS.
Is she also gonna... Are there any sparks?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're not gonna live alone anymore. You're gonna have a sister.
For sure.
Yeah?
She's getting done in like 6 months and then she'll be in Mumbai with
You're
me.
fucking up with me. Father knows?
He has
he
an
will come to know in 6 months. Yeah.
But like...
Yeah. But then, Kalyani, this thing that you said that not many leading women or like models in general are dark skinned.
Yeah.
That is also a differentiator.
That is what?
A differentiator.
Yeah. It is.
I think that has maybe worked in your
It has.
way. Yeah.
It has. So, I think it was difficult for me in the beginning. But then, I don't know. I auditioned really hard. I worked very hard.
Yeah.
I was like, no, you audition me. I can... मतलब जो reference video मिलता था, it was always a fair-skinned girl with straight hair.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, मेरा audition देख लो एक बार.
हाँ.
Then I auditioned.
Yeah.
And then eventually I cracked ads like for Bumble and for Myntra.
Yeah.
And then I was
Huge.
everywhere. And it was like, I proved a point.
Yeah.
That जो मेरे माइंड में था कि मेरे को representation लाना है for dark skinned women. Because while growing up, I didn't see anybody who looked like me. And I used to think, यार मुझे तो actor बनना है पर मैं लोगों को बताऊँ कैसे? Because they laugh at me कि मतलब कौन बनाएगा तुझे actor? है ना? But then, yeah, I feel somewhere down the line, I'm like, if I can do this,
Yeah.
तो आगे भी मैं कर ही लूँगी.
Hmm.
So it has helped. And I think in the industry also now things have changed. People really like working with the dark-skinned models and especially beauty brands and all. They really want such kind of people to be there around
Do
for
you
their
think
brands.
dusky is trendy now?
It has become. It is becoming,
It is becoming.
especially in the beauty industry.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a lot of work now. But when I started 4 years back, it was not. But I'm glad that it is now. It's changing.
Even like Fair and Lovely changed its
Yes,
name
yes.
after public backlash
It did.
to what? Glow and
Glow
Lovely.
and Lovely. I did an ad for Glow.
You do that?
And Anurag Basu directed it. Imagine.
wow.
It was amazing.
But do you think that they are asking for dusky girls? बाद में edit पे are they lightening it? ऐसा कुछ है?
नहीं.
नहीं.
नहीं. Not
That
anymore.
will defeat the purpose of it.
They even had Manya Singh, who's
Okay.
a dusky model. She was Miss India or something. So yeah, I think
Yeah.
good.
Karyani, I've got a few questions for you. I mean, है ना? Now let's just this be key. Don't think a lot about it. I'm asking you a question.
But you're asking the wrong person because I'm an overthinker and I think about it.
This is a great opportunity to pretend that you're not. This is an acting audition,
Oh, God.
okay? Where you have to pretend to be that person who doesn't think a lot.
I'll try.
Yeah, cool. So, okay, I'll ask you some questions.
Yeah.
You know? And I just want you to complete the like. I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna tell you the first part of the sentence. You have to just complete the sentence.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's start. Dating in Mumbai film industry is toxic because.
Because everybody is not loyal at all.
Loyalty is a problem, no?
It is.
With many polygamous people.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's the most toxic thing.
For me, because I don't like to share my person. I
Your
don't-
bed or your person or your food.
Yeah.
Cool. What's your take on these models who are dating photographers only for the portfolio?
God, that's the first time I'm hearing.
This is the first time you're here?
Yeah,
You're in very good circles.
I
Karyani.
am.
Yeah.
I am to
You are. But what do you think? ये होता है? होता है, definitely होता है.
अब बोल रहे हो होता है तो होता ही होगा.
But you've never come across?
No,
No?
I have
Okay.
not come across, and I think it's wrong.
It's wrong. But portfolio? You know the cost of portfolio? You do.
I do, but I don't know. It comes down to morals and values.
Okay.
I wouldn't judge, but I wouldn't do that.
Okay. Cool. Would you choose a struggling actor who's like, okay, let me ask you. Who would you choose a struggling actor who's loyal or a successful producer who's married?
A struggling actor who's
But emphasis, struggling, successful.
that's fine because I can fend for myself.
Arey, bro, you stay home. I'm locking the door from outside just in case.
No, I think I wouldn't.
Okay. What are the weirdest DMs that you've received?
I don't want to talk about it.
Just one. Top one, Bobby. Don't tell me the vanilla ones.
No. It's very. Well, people don't have a filter. I just want to say that.
Yeah.
I don't want to tell you what it is.
You wanna explore, expand a little bit upon what do you mean people don't have filter? कुछ भी पूछ लेते हैं या कुछ भी?
Because they're sitting behind a screen.
Dick pics भेज रहा है ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Okay.
No accountability.
And from fake accounts.
Yes.
Yeah.
So anything.
Any DM that you remember that अरे क्या ही लिखा है यार? What the fuck?
I think I just sent it on a group.
Yeah, please.
I mean, that is a recent one. I've gotten
Quite a few.
quite a few.
You wanna tell me your top 3?
No, please. I just said no. A very unhinged DM. Like, hey, I'm not a skirt chaser.
Okay. I'm not a skirt chaser. Okay.
I've had fun in my past life and I'm definitely not looking for anything casual, but I don't want to rush things. Do you want to go out for coffee with me?
This is the very first message. No context.
Yes. I don't even know this guy. This person doesn't have a DP. Imagine.
अरे you should reply. It would be so much fun.
This is still like proper English में लिखा है.
At least grammatically
Yes,
correct. Yeah.
I know. बहुत अजीब अजीब DMs आते हैं.
हाँ.
कुछ लोग तो this is तो ऐसा, बाकी तो काम के लिए like can you give me some work, you know, I have ये मेरा portfolio, ये मेरे pictures है, प्लीज मुझे काम दिला दो मैडम. ऐसे टाइप के DMs है या तो ऐसे टाइप के DMs. So I think both are equally weird, but
No such DMs about, wow, Kalyani just came across your profile. What good work you're doing. Nice. All the best. By the way, what are you doing in the evening?
yep.
Yeah. Okay, so DMs are weird. You know?
I don't really I check them because I have मतलब कभी-कभी
Actual है
बड़े
कि अरे किसने मैसेज किया है?
नहीं यार बड़े प्रोडक्शन कभी मैसेज करते हैं because it's easier to contact on Instagram. So I check my DMs, but I see कि ये सब है तो then I'll ignore them. I will not reply to them.
Okay.
It's healthier, not
For your peace of mind.
yes.
Cool. Let's talk about this one. Yep. You see, I think this is a growing trend. A lot of influencers have started getting acting jobs, modeling jobs.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I hate it.
You hate it?
I hate it. Because they look at the number of followers and they're like, especially with music videos or certain projects, they're like, you know, हमको चाहिए 500 के followers वाली लड़की को हम cast करेंगे.
That comes in the casting brief.
Yes.
500K.
It does.
Huh.
I mean, not for like proper acting gigs like web shows or films or some ads, but not all. But like, ये है. This is happening कुछ projects में.
It's annoying.
It is. Because I'm like, I don't know, there are people who are so much better, they can perform so much better. And in the end, I think, मतलब मैं ये खुद को बोलती हूँ whenever I feel as such, like, it's their loss because I'm good for business. I'm good for the business. If they cast me now, it's going to help them only. But they don't want to cast me. They want to cast somebody with 500K followers. Go ahead.
Has that ever triggered the thought कि maybe I should also start doing the social media trends and those dances and whatever that is?
It has some.
Yeah.
But
You've already shot a video. You're just about to post it. The dance one.
No, but I think मतलब मैंने जब भी ऐसा सोचा है और अगर मैंने डालने का भी डिसाइड कर लिया तो चलो ये बना लिया रील अभी मैं डालती हूँ. बट आई हैव ऑलवेज ऑब्जर्व्ड कि आई कैन नॉट कीप अप विद इट. इट्स नॉट मी. इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई कैन डू. आई डू नॉट एंजॉय इट एट ऑल. एंड मतलब मेरा एक बात हमेशा से है कि आई ओनली लाइक टू टेक व्हाट आई वांट. कि अगर मुझे जैसे इसमें भी लाइक Abhi just I got an audition for a very good brand, and but it's like a secondary character, and the budget is also shit.
Okay.
And then, like, it's a good brand. I like being on set. I would like to audition for it. But if you're giving me a secondary part, then I look at the budget. But if you're, well, you understand something that I want. Like, I want a good budget or I want a good part.
I mean, at the end of it, there is at least something you take out of it.
Yes.
At least experience, portfolio, or at least money.
Yeah, correct. So, and especially with ads, since I have like a...
You've got a nice portfolio.
Yeah, like I've worked with leading brands. So, I don't have to be like, nahi yaar, or like I go behind ki nahi, ठीक है कर लूँगी.
Yeah.
आपका इतना ही बजट है, ठीक है मैं कर लूँगी. But I think कि so that's what. Either I'll see everything. Like, for example, you take any big brand, like suppose Amazon is approaching me and it's like a leading part, but their budget is very less. And I tell them कि या तो budget बढ़ाओ या तो मतलब मुझे I'll audition for it, give me this budget, or reduce the usage. Like, I don't know if you know this. कि ads run for 2 years or 1 year and everything depends कि digital है, TVC है, क्या है वो सब. तो वो सब देख के I'll be like फिर ही मैं करूँगी. And that's what I've come it's a realization that I've come to now कि मुझे करना है, मैं desperate हूँ, मुझे set पे जाना है, या इतना बड़ा brand है, चले गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी? What if I never get the opportunity? That's not my mindset now.
Okay.
So I look at everything. I'll be like, okay, do I want this?
Yeah.
If I want it, then I'll do it. If I really like the part, then I'll not even look at the budget. But मतलब सब ऐसे अच्छे से देखूंगी. And then if, okay, I decide now I want this, then I'll do it.
Yeah.
But otherwise, no. That's what I wanted to say. कि अगर मुझे कुछ चाहिए तो वैसा ही हो तो ही मैं लूंगी. But there's no point because I don't find satisfaction in it.
This thing that you just mentioned about rights. How long will this ad will run on satellite or digital?
Yeah.
Do you think actors or models today are aware of this? Because not a lot of people think about it. Is all about oh अच्छा brand है. Oh no, बच्चा एक दिवाली सीजन के लिए चला या जिंदगी भर चला. They are not really very big on it.
That I think that's when you want to do this in the long run, then you have to think about it. Even like when you're starting out, obviously you would not.
Yeah.
Because you want to build a portfolio, you want to build like a proper profile for yourself. But after a while, when you get to know, you don't want to get exploited.
Yeah.
Just because you want to work. It's not right because you are actually giving in your time, your effort, your talent.
So if there are these, again, top 3 things that you look when you're looking at, okay, is this the right project for me? In the chronology, if you can, what are you looking at?
Firstly, the brand. Brand and the part.
Yeah.
Hand in hand. Secondly, then I look at the usage and is it digital, is it TVC, is it print? And then the budget.
Okay. In that chronology?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because if it's just one thing, if it's just digital, then the budget changes.
Of course.
Everything like accordingly. So these are points I check now. And I think you really should, because there's really no point that it's like any other job. You shouldn't be exploited at your job, and this is my job, so I need to take care of it.
Yeah. What is the worst feedback you've ever got? Like a toxic feedback that this was not a feedback, this felt more personal.
Okay, so what happened is it was 2 years back or something. There was this very stupid casting director who I thought had a good project. So it was for a short film.
Okay.
And I went in. He saw my pictures in straight hair. ठीक है, कहीं से, I don't know. So I keep straightening my hair also बीच में.
Okay.
So he saw and then he's like, आप आ जाओ audition के लिए, ये part आपको जाएगा. मैं ठीक है आती हूँ. And then I don't know now which picture he saw.
Yeah.
I went in my normal attire and then I'm like, ठीक है. And then he started to give me such weird looks. He's looking at me like, okay, किसको बुला लिया मैंने? And then I'm sitting there and then he's given me the script. And then I'm like, ठीक है. I went, I auditioned. I came out and then he's like, I think आपको ना इससे ज़्यादा आपा वाला रोल जाएगा. I'm like, what? And that आपा is like 40-year-old. It's like, we'll make you look like that. And I think ना आपका look उसमें जा रहा है. I'm like, ये आपको पहले नहीं पता था. And I'm not going to, I'm like a 23-year-old girl and I'm going to audition for a 40-year-old.
Yeah.
And that was just like, because he was a stupid casting director. And then I think it came down to him stereotyping me because of my skin tone and my hair and everything, that sort. And so he was like, नहीं आप नहीं कर सकते ये primary character, आपको तो हम आपा वाला ही part देंगे. And I'm like, I don't want to do it. And I left. And then this was, I don't remember exactly where, but just outside ना वहाँ पे MACD था.
Okay.
I went there and I sat, I cried. And I'm like, what the fuck? How didn't I know कि I usually sense कि कुछ तो गलत होने वाला है. But then I was like, नहीं मैं जाऊंगी. And then this happened. And that is the one time that I've really cried. And I've been like, is something wrong with me?
Okay.
But then it's not, because then later on I went on to give bigger auditions for really big people and stuff. So it was not, I was never the problem, it was his.
It's a you problem. Have you ever thought of, have there been times ki yaar, it's getting too overwhelming? Maybe this is not for me. Let's go back.
I do think that a lot of times.
Okay.
Because I am someone who thinks in extremes.
Okay.
But then eventually I'll come back to I can't give up. I would
Okay.
never give up. So, and then I look back also कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है for like 4 years now. I've been here and it's not like I've not done work or I'm not getting work. So, it comes down to accepting कि this is how the life of an artist is. It's not, you see your friends, yeah, you see कि उनका you know ये routine है, ये काम पे जाते हैं, they have a fixed income,
Yeah.
they have this proper trajectory and timeline of
Yeah,
their
yeah.
life. And then some days you have no work, you're just sitting at home like क्या करूँ? And other days, some days you're just like working. So that, and it's difficult for people around you to also understand, like my family or relatives, they're like, matlab, how does it work?
Yeah.
And I think that used to affect me pehle, but now I'm at a point where I do things only for myself and I know why I'm doing this. I always go back to the why. Why did I start?
Okay.
Why did I want to do this in the first
Yeah.
place? So I think as I have gotten to know myself better, these thoughts have gone down.
You keep coming to the point that as I've gotten to know myself better.
Yes.
So more than anything else, it's been quite a therapeutic, cathartic
Sure.
4 years.
Sure has. I think when you start to live with like there's nobody around, you're alone. I think you get to know yourself better. You get comfortable with yourself,
and you
your
also,
thoughts.
you come to know that can I live with this person?
Yes. Because it had been so much of noise.
Yeah.
मतलब खुद के बारे में सोचने का उतना टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था कि I always I think I was a huge people pleaser and I always used to think ये क्या सोचेंगे, अच्छा इनको ये चाहिए, ठीक है मैं ये कर लेती हूँ.
Got it.
But now it's not like that. I have learned to set boundaries. I can say no.
Okay.
I can think about, is this something I really want to do project wise or just connection wise, friendship wise,
yeah.
relationship wise, everything. And I think it has come from getting to know myself better by spending time with myself. And as I said, the spirituality and my connection with God, everything is really, really.
Nice. Some people will say, ये कौन सा नशा कर रही है? My mother and father is like, I don't know यार. जब से she's got into spirituality after she's gone to Bombay. कोई तो खतरनाक नशा चल रहा है. You never dated anybody?
No.
No? Was that a conscious choice?
Kind of. I mean, I've had an encounter, but
Just one encounter in 4 years?
yeah. But,
Multiple one encounters.
but no, I have not dated anybody.
But it was a very conscious choice.
Yeah, I think I have just been that way.
Okay.
I haven't really found anybody. मतलब मेरे mind में है that if I am with someone, then that person really has to meet my standards, and I've never come across anybody.
My God, that really tells something about the city. You've not met one guy who meets your standards?
Not yet.
Would you date somebody from the entertainment industry?
Industry?
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
if
But you know other
that's
guys
a
in the
good
industry.
person. Sorry.
But you know now how the like, of course not everyone, but like
I mean, I don't
majority.
believe in generalizing.
Huh.
So if somebody surprises me with being
High
a
standards.
really good person,
Yeah.
then yeah.
Uh-huh.
And like everything that I think.
But then you're surrounded by like your daily work is around like really good looking men.
Yeah.
Never have you thought, nice, good looking.
Of course,
Or
I
it
thought.
just stops there, like, okay.
That's
good looking.
it.
Yeah.
I mean, I think on set, it's purely professional only.
Is it? Is it?
For me.
I've been on multiple sets, Kalyani, so please.
With my co-actors and everything, yeah. I mean, especially when you're performing, I think for actors, especially when it's not a long schedule,
Yeah.
it's just a 3-4 day gig, an ad.
But there's this
especially.
huge hookup culture.
Yeah.
You are aware of it, right?
Of course.
There is a huge hookup culture. You've never like thought of, why not? Interesting, Great, yeah. I mean, I'm just I'm just trying to poke some answers out of
I
you.
know.
That's all.
I know.
You came well prepped for this. Like, okay.
No, it's the truth.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I am surrounded by that, but that's not something I am. I don't believe in it. So,
Cool. So let's just get back to this. I'll tell you first part of the sentence. Just complete the sentence.
okay.
Yeah? Okay, cool. The most fake thing about Instagram models in Mumbai is
Catfishing.
catfishing. Models on Instagram, they catfish?
A lot of times,
Huh.
filters.
Huh.
I mean, yeah.
That is what you see is not the reality. There's a huge. That's not a filter. It's a big filter.
It is.
Huh?
Yeah.
Multiple filters.
And I'm not just talking about the Instagram photo filter.
Yeah.
I'm talking about how, like, it's not reality at all.
Even how they behave.
Yeah. It's not.
Everybody sounding too sober for
Yeah.
some reason. Yeah. I hate that. Yeah. I personally hate that.
I agree. And I know a lot of people who are from South Bombay.
Yeah.
They don't have this accent.
Yeah.
And the people who
No,
pretend
yeah.
to be,
Huh.
and then they're trying to do that just to sound that they are sober.
Yeah.
And just to make people believe that, you know, we
I'm a vegan. I'm lactose intolerant. Huh?
yeah, that's all there.
Okay. Struggling actors in Mumbai can afford luxurious apartments when
When they get their big break.
only then.
I'm speaking from my
Arey, yaar, don't play so safe, Kalyani. No, I'm just generally asking what you've seen, what your experience. I'm not trying to feed you something. Your experience.
when they start hooking up / dating with some big
Casting director, producer,
or actor,
actor.
or yeah,
Happens.
I've seen.
You've seen. You've seen closely. What happens at these Warsaw house parties?
Honestly speaking, now it's really just the random, as you said, hookups and stuff. That is everywhere.
Only hookups.
Oh God, I'm gonna sound like.
No.
I hope, guys, please give me work. Okay, I'm just saying this for the show.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just like any other party that you would attend,
Yeah.
like a house party. But the house parties I've been to have been really good. Like I've gone, मतलब मेरे actor friends या जो भी को actors ने host किए थे. It's been also creatively therapeutic because some really good artists show up. Then they're jamming to music.
It's a nice
Things
place to
like
meet
that.
them
Yes.
in an
So I
informal
think
setting.
I know about these parties where, you know, just hookups happen and just people are like, oh, I'll give you work, you do this for me and that. But I've mostly been to parties where I know the person,
Okay.
I've worked with them. And then when I've been there, I've seen that it's a different scene.
Okay.
It's a good place to be at.
It's PG-13.
Yeah. And it's very, honestly, therapeutic.
It's therapeutic. Okay. The real way of getting selected for audition. The real way of getting selected for auditions is
The real way is just your talent and your work. For real.
for real.
For real.
Sleeping can get you auditions in the short run. Sleeping around.
I wouldn't know.
I don't even think it is true today. Maybe for some, I don't know, Naptol or something aisa.
No. But honestly.
Have you done a Naptol ad?
No.
I have.
Okay.
And okay, Mumbai, on the outskirts of Mumbai, they have a huge setup, like a huge building.
Okay.
And if you know Naptol, it's live selling.
Oh.
Naptol is live selling on television.
Okay.
If you've gone to you've never seen these channels on television?
I have, I think.
You might have.
Yeah,
you might have. It still happens. And it's like a factory setup. एक स्टेज पे like एक फ्लोर पे एक रूम में बर्तन बिक रहे, एक रूम में टेडी बेयर, एक रूम में यूटेंसिल्स, एक रूम में ये.
Okay.
It's happening live. Next floor is only editors जो live edit करके it's broadcasting. it's a fucking it's a beautiful setup.
And you did
yeah.
that.
I did that. Yeah. This is like my very first 2-3 months in Bombay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've done that. That what was beautiful about that is I'm talking from a very process perspective.
Yeah.
The amount of content they are churning out in real time and the volume. ये दिन में ऐसे पता नहीं कितने घंटे चलता रहता है 7-8 घंटे of live selling.
Yeah.
I knew an host there जो live क्यों होता है ना अब देखिए भाई साहब ये है 300 रुपए में 2 बकेट ओके नेक्स्ट एंड इट इज लाइक अ रेप ओके 15 मिनट यूटेंसिल्स बेचा ओके नेक्स्ट अभी क्या अभी मैं जिम के कपड़े बेच रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट अभी मैं टेडी बेयर बेच रहा हूँ अभी मैं कॉस्मेटिक बेच रहा हूँ दैट इज लाइक एंड देयर अर्निंग लाइक 20K 30K a day for that but then see that is again that's a profession they might
Yeah.
not want to be they might have come for acting or something but now they're doing this do you think a
Each
lot
their
of
own.
people then eventually they're like take whatever works वो वाला zone में
Yeah.
yeah
I
you've
think
seen
so.
that
I mean, in a good way. I think they figure out कि वो किस में अच्छे हैं. They came here to be an actor and then they realized that they are a really good casting director. They can spot talent well. They'll become a
Yeah.
casting director. Or they get into direction or they get into production and stuff. So they just, I think they come into the industry thinking about something and then they discover कि I'm so good at this. Let me do this. I
Yeah.
like doing this. And then that way. But of course, there are people who will eventually be like, "Ab nahi ho raha mujhse," and they'll go back.
and I don't see anything wrong in that
Yeah, yeah.
that's with just any other profession I tried it
True.
okay not happen like okay last week
It's
a DJ
actually a
had
good
come
thing
here.
that you
Yeah.
have that in you to accept, and then you can restart your life in
yeah,
some
yeah,
other
yeah,
way.
yeah. Definitely but giving yourself a right opportunity at least that is
Yeah.
इतना तो बनता है यार
True.
हुआ नहीं हुआ there are many factors
Yeah, yeah.
but okay let's get back to this what happens in Vanity Vans after the shoot is over
Pack up.
pack up Kalyani is all in good circles yeah shit.
I am. You're not gonna get.
Okay. The real reason why a selected few models get all the big brands.
Because they're really good.
Just that.
Good
It's
for the brand.
Meritocracy. It is all about how good they are.
Yeah. I mean, have certain brands prefer certain kind of people to represent them. Then they fit the brief. And they're also really good and confident. Works for them.
That's so cool. Have you ever, has any casting director or anybody in your journey ever told you that you're too pretty for a dark girl or too pretty for a dusky girl, you don't fit this profile because of the skin tone?
Yeah. That keeps happening.
Okay.
People are like, you have really great features. We want a dusky skinned girl to play this part. For suppose like a poor person that's there.
Okay. Wow, you're so good looking. So wow. Can you play this poor person?
No. For example, the brief will be like, they want, suppose unko chahiye. This happens ki unko chahiye, they want somebody to play a maid or something. They look for a dark skinned person only.
By default, if they think maid, they might
Yeah.
not think for a skinned actor. They'll think, okay.
Yeah. And then they'll approach me. I'll audition. And then sometimes they're like, no, your features are very... they're just standing out.
Yeah.
We can't have like a maid. Sara
good-looking maid, yeah.
Maid pe nahi ho sakta. I'm like, okay. So that has happened.
You're looking bad. So where do what the fuck should I do?
Yeah, that happens. But then I think eventually what is for you will find you.
Yeah.
Like I've done, like Advice also have done Nykaa and Myntra
Yeah.
and all that. So that I know that they wanted somebody with that skin tone and they wanted somebody who looks like me. They wanted someone with big eyes, with curly hair,
yeah.
everything. So I'm like, there is space for everybody in the industry. You just have to be there. You just have to find the right opportunity. And as I said, the universe always guides me. So I'm always at the right place at the right time.
Yeah.
I'm just saying all these things. And I know that people have really different experiences, but
This is your experience.
and it's been more positive than negative.
What should really stand out in a portfolio?
The first impression is always how you look. So you need to have good pictures. That is how you people will look at you with the first thing. Because character brief में भी description में ये लिखा होता है कि ये इंसान ऐसा ऐसा दिखता है, उसका body
Yeah.
build ऐसा है ये.
Yeah.
So I think you really need to have good pictures, but not those with filters. Just good lighting, where all your natural features are visible.
Yeah.
And it's a good quality picture. So you invest on, like, not even like, you don't go to these photographers. Like for acting, I don't think you need to invest so much money to get a portfolio. Most of my pictures that I send around are taken on my iPhone in good sunlight,
Okay.
and I send those around. So I think that's the first thing you can do. Make your, like, list out your details, the normal thing, name,
Yeah.
age, height,
Yeah.
all that. Make a good introduction video. Then whatever skills, if you're a fresher, you're starting out, whatever skills, dance aata hai ya jo bhi aata hai.
Horse riding.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I've heard some like really crazy skills. I can beatbox,
Yeah,
yoga.
It's useful for ads, so it's very useful because they need such actors. ऐसे pads लिखे जाते हैं. They need quirky
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
So yeah, just put it in your portfolio. If you have a video, then put a link, unlisted video from
Yep, yep,
YouTube.
yep.
Just keep everything ready
Yeah.
whenever there's.
So you have like a
anything.
media kit ready always.
Yeah.
कि जैसा
That's it.
brand.
There's a PDF also. Sometimes people are lazy to read everything.
Yeah.
So I'm like, ये भी ले लो.
Huh.
So that, all of that.
Okay. Cool. So Kalyani, how does it look ahead for you? Like in terms of life in Bombay, work, relationship.
I am hoping that 2025 is going to be a good year.
Yeah. Okay. Work-wise.
Yes. बाकी तो क्या ही है.
We'll see.
Till one day at a time.
Okay.
But I'm in a very good mental space right now, and at peace. And I really, like, I want good things to happen, but I'm also okay if nothing happens too. So
That way you're very detached.
yeah.
You're not like letting the outcome ऐसा affect you mentally.
It doesn't any longer. It used to when I started out.
यार you have ऐसा attained zen. है ना? It feels like it, na? To some extent.
Yeah. Probably. I would take that as a
Yeah.
compliment.
It is. It is. Do younger actresses, aspiring models, like they come to you to ask कि यार how
They
to?
do. Those are the DMs I always accept.
अच्छा. Okay.
So they ask me कि मैं कैसे audition do? Can you tell me how
Yeah.
you started out?
Yeah.
How can I go about
Yep.
it?
Yep. Yep.
And I really like helping people because I was someone who I would have been really glad if I got that kind
That
of
kind
a
of
help
support. Yeah.
that time.
Yep. Yep.
So if I am able to do that for someone, then I am always ready.
I think Pune में तो there are a lot of such people here. I feel.
Yeah.
I definitely know it for a fact because I've been around in Pune circles,
Okay.
and Pune people are armchair artists. That's what I call them.
Okay.
They love to talk about art sitting in their house comfortably. Even actors.
Yeah.
This thing about going to Bombay is a daunting task for
It
many.
is.
It just sounds very daunting. And plus, Bombay ka smell also is. You've got acclimatized to that smell now.
No.
Now, so you don't
Yeah,
even
yeah.
realize that
Yeah. And now I don't even sweat.
you don't even sweat.
No.
Why? That is a flex. That is a fucking flex. You don't sweat in Bombay heat now?
I don't.
You've achieved nirvana.
But people here make fun of me.
What?
इतनी सी ठंडी हो जाती है, मैं स्वेटर पहन के बैठ जाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
मतलब like Bombay people, कुछ है भी नहीं और स्वेटर पहन के बैठी हूँ.
Yeah.
Yeah, pros and cons in everything.
Cool, yeah. Kalyani, I'm at the end of this.
Okay.
Unless there's anything that you particularly want us to talk. Let's see. First of all, why am I here?
But I started like before the ad that I did.
Yeah.
I did one photo shoot in Pune.
Okay.
That was like for Navratri, and it was for a Marathi newspaper. And I think so I started out from Pune only because that was the first thing that released, that it was on the paper with
Yeah.
that colored sari saying
Yeah,
Aaj ka rang ye hai.
Acha. You still have that?
Yeah, I do.
Nice.
It's on my Instagram. And I had put that song, वो हनी सिंह का वो lyric है कि मुझको ना पहचाने तो तेरे घर अखबार नहीं आता. It's like, अखबार में आई. So that is like, so I've started from Pune,
Yeah.
technically.
You've met any other Pune-based, like Pune से जो आए हैं artists there?
I think not really. But I have had my co-actors, मतलब जो भी ads में पहले काम किया है, they've traveled to Pune for projects.
shoot,
And I
yeah.
know this one guy from school called Vineet, who does a lot of casting in Pune.
अच्छा.
So he sends out a lot of Pune requirements
Got it.
on those audition update
yeah.
groups. So I know that certain ads are shot here, but I've always seen कि वो मुंबई से actors लेके जा रहे हैं.
लेके आते हैं. Convenient है.
Yeah.
Cool.
I think that's what also happens in international. अगर उनको मतलब मैंने 2 ads shoot किए थे जो बैंकॉक में थे. एक तो बम्बल
Yeah.
और वो US television वाला.
Yeah.
And somehow I figured out कि whenever they want to, maybe budget constraints है या it's beneficial for them also. They fly all actors to Bangkok and they'll just shoot it there. Even the US ad that I did, it had like international actors from Australia and stuff. They flew everybody to Bangkok and they just shot it there.
Much cheaper ना production
I think, yeah.
No, definitely, yeah.
So that's what they do.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे मुंबई से पुणे लेके आते हैं और अगर इंटरनेशनली करना है तो बैंकॉक नहीं जाते. That's what I saw.
Cool. Kalyani, thank you so much for your time. Had a
thank
lovely
you.
conversation.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
I'm
having me.
really looking forward to see more of your work.
Yes. Thank you for having me.